Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download Zoom on your PC or laptop. Really easy to do. So all you have to do is either go into the description, I'll have a link over to Zoom there, or you can just go to Google here and just type in Zoom. So just type in Zoom and then click on this first link here, zoom.us. Once you're on the website here, you just want to scroll down to the bottom and you will see an option right here that says download. So you want to click on download right here. And then you're going to click on download for Zoom client for meetings. And then just click on keep. And once the installer is done downloading, just click on the installer to open it up. Then it's going to start to initialize here. So you just want to give it a couple seconds to initialize. You want to go through all the settings and just let it install. So we just give it a couple seconds to install here. And once it's done, we can line out of this page and minimize this page. And then you'll have an option right away here to join a meeting or sign in. So you want to make sure you have your Zoom account already. If you don't have a Zoom account, you can go back over to the web browser here and you can create an account right here. Sign up, it's free. And then once you have this downloaded, you can go ahead and sign in. You can sign in with Google or whatever option you want to do. Or you can just go back and join a meeting with a meeting ID if you have one already. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to download Zoom on your PC or laptop. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.